Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva website templates in Squarespace. This guide will help you seamlessly transfer your creative designs from Canva to a professional Squarespace site. We'll cover everything from preparing your Canva elements for export to integrating them effectively within Squarespace's powerful platform. You'll learn practical steps to ensure your vision comes to life, creating a stunning and functional website that truly reflects your brand. Get ready to transform your design ideas into a live, engaging online presence. When exporting from Canva, focus on individual elements. For graphics requiring transparency, always choose the PNG file format. For photographs or complex images without transparency, JPG is an excellent choice, offering good quality with smaller file sizes. Before downloading, double-check that all your design components are perfectly aligned and sized. You can also export your entire Canva page as a PDF to use as a visual guide when rebuilding your layout in Squarespace, ensuring a one-to-one match. Once your Canva elements are ready, it's time to bring them into Squarespace. Upload your high-resolution images directly into your Squarespace pages using image blocks. For multiple visuals, consider using gallery sections to create dynamic displays. Remember to recreate all text content directly within Squarespace's editor, as this ensures it's searchable and responsive. Pay close attention to spacing and alignment, making small adjustments to mirror your original Canva design as closely as possible for a polished look. To finalize your Squarespace site, focus on customization and best practices. Ensure every imported element maintains your brand's consistent visual identity. Crucially, optimize all images for web performance. Large files can slow down your site, impacting user experience. Always preview your website on different devices, including mobile phones and tablets, to guarantee it looks fantastic and functions perfectly across all screen sizes. Finally, keep your content fresh and engaging with regular updates, ensuring your site remains a dynamic online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.